Introducing the Entrepreneur Pro PR1055X Playbook, featuring 34 projects clearly laid out in beautiful detail, from exercise requirements at the start of each project to your finished work. The Playbook features nearly 200 pages of step-by-step instructions, but they're not just step-by-step. In the Playbook, you'll see each lesson icon by icon, along with each step. This will not only help you know the way, it will help you know the machine. Supported by over 5 hours of video lessons, 35 individual videos that take you through some of the same lessons you'll find in the book. Think of the Playbook as a multimedia guide to help you get the most out of your machine.
Let's add a decorative fill to an embroidery design.
Available now.